Hello friends, I welcome you in this introductory lecture of power electronics. It is a common subject in various branches of engineering such as electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering which is called as EX, electronics and communication engineering, instrumentation and control engineering. Now what the power electronics is? It is application of solid state electronics in the field of power generation, transmission, distribution and utilization. This is the brief introduction of the syllabus covered in power electronics, which is also called as a industrial electronics in electronics and communication branch. Introduction of power semiconductor devices such as power diodes, transistors, silicon control rectifiers, it means thyristors, gate turn off thyristors, their static and dynamic characteristics, series and parallel combination, or some protection circuits. Converters, it means rectifier circuits. AC supply is to be converted into the DC supply. We are having two types of converter circuit, single phase converter circuits and the three phase converter circuits. Inverters, it means we have to convert available DC supply into the AC supply. Two types of inverter, single phase inverter and the three phase inverters. Choppers, it means DC to DC control, input fixed DC supply whereas output is variable DC supply. Cycloconverters, it means changing frequencies. Two types of cycloconverter, one is step up cycloconverter, second one is step down cycloconverter. Step up cycloconverter, it means output frequency is more than the input frequency. Step down cycloconverter, it means output frequency is less than the input frequency. AC voltage regulators, it means AC to AC conversion, input fixed AC supply whereas output will be the variable AC supply. Some applications are also covered in the syllabus of power electronics or the industrial electronics. Usually this question is asked, compare power semiconductor devices to electromechanical devices. So power electronic devices are having many advantages as compared to the conventional electromechanical devices. These advantages are low losses in power electronic devices and high efficiency. Why low losses? Power electronic devices are static devices. It means rotational losses are absent. Because of this, it has low losses and has having high efficiency. High reliability, long life, less maintenance. Why less maintenance? Because no moving parts. They are smaller in size, less weight, low cost. Why low cost? Because mass production of power electronic devices is possible. They are having fast dynamic response. So all these are the advantages of power electronic devices. Besides this, we are having few disadvantages of power electronic devices also. These disadvantages are, power electronic devices introduces harmonics in the supply system as well as in the load circuit. Power electronic converters, usually AC to AC converter or AC to DC converter operates at low power factor, but advantages are more as compared to the disadvantage. Therefore we prefer power electronic devices. So this is the brief introduction of power electronics, which is also called as a industrial electronics. कोविड-19 के इस दौर में अपना ध्यान रखिए, अपने हाथों को लगातार साबुन से धोते रहिए, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को मेंटेन करिए और जब तक बहुत ज़रूरी काम ना हो घर से बाहर ना जाइए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।